I learned early in my career that I had to display excellence as a way of life. When I started a relocation company, I went to attend an international conference by the Employee Relocation Council located in Washington, D.C., which is one of the largest industry bodies of our industry. There were 1,600 participants and I was just one of the also-rans. I would go to learning sessions and sit right in front, listen to the speakers in rapt attention, and when the question-answer session came, I would ask an intelligent and well-thought-out question so that I got noticed. Next, I became friendly with the committee members of the entire conference and asked, "Do you think India should be a part of your agenda next year?" And right enough, they were open to the international representation of India in the next conference. I was invited to serve on the board, and I even became the co-chair of that entire conference the following year. I did the best I could do, used the best images of India in presentations, gave them access to some of the best speakers that they had no access to, and created value in whatever way that I could, not really asking what's in it for me. The next year, we were given a Meritorious Service Award, which is a very high honor in our industry, given to people who spend time making sure that ERC's presence in the world is augmented. I was delighted to have been part of that journey, and I realized that day that excellence is an attitude. It is a mental, powerful strength of never allowing yourself to settle for mediocrity. I encourage all aspiring leaders to take on excellence in whatever you do. Never mind if anyone is watching.